Hello, children. Today I am discussing about the obtaining of common salt from seawater, and the other subtopic is solution and its type. Evaporation. On heating, due to heat, water, that is liquid, changes into water vapor, that is a gaseous form or gas, is called evaporation. Water water liquid due to heat or on heating changes into water vapor is called evaporation, and the condensation is a just opposite process of evaporation. In the condensation, water vapor, that is gaseous form, on cooling changes into its liquid form, that is water. Not water is found in its three forms or three states. First form is solid, that is ice, hail, stone, and the second form is liquid, that is water, and the third form is water vapor, which is in gaseous form. So water is a wonderful substance, material, or a liquid. We cannot live without water. Water is also called universal solvent because water can dissolve so many substances in it. 70% of our body is water. Now we discuss about the process of obtaining of salt from seawater. Salt means common salt or table salt. Common salt or table salt. The chemical name of common salt or table salt is sodium chloride. Common salt is obtained from seawater by the evaporation process. Seawater is trapped in a shallow pool, and allowed to stand there. The sun's heat evaporates the water slowly, and common salt is left behind in the large pool. In this way, common salt is obtained. This obtained common salt is not pure, not fit for human use. It contains many impurities. Like soil particles and other inorganic substances. So purification of the obtained salt, common salt, is essential. We get pure common salt by crystallization and purification. Salt is very useful substance. We cannot live without salt. Look at the picture. In this picture, there were so many heaps of common salt near the seashore. The labor carried the ship a heap of salt in, in a bag and transport the bags of common salt to the workshop or factory where the obtained salt is purified and crystallized and packed. The famous brand of common salt is brands of common salt are Tata Namak, Annapurna Namak, and one of them is Mogrill's iodized salt. Before packing, iodine is mixed in the crystallized form of the common salt or the pure salt. For prevention of goiter disease among us, we take 2 tablespoons iodine amount in our whole life that prevent us from goiter disease. Goiter disease is a throat disease. It also imbalance the physiological processes of our body. Now the second topic is solution. Solution, a mixture of water and sugar, dissolved sugar, is called sugar solution. A solution of water and salt is called salt solution, or a mixture of lemon juice and water is lemon solution, lemolate solution. So take a beaker and put half teaspoonful or 1 teaspoonful of sugar into the water which is in the beaker. After some time we saw that sugar disappears and the solution is becomes sugar solution. This solution has the power capacity to dissolve more sugar. This is called unsaturated sugar solution, having capacity or power to dissolve more sugar. After that, in unsaturated solution, we put another teaspoonful sugar. After some time, we observe that sugar dissolves in the solution. Again, we put a teaspoonful of sugar. Now we see that sugar does not dissolve. The solution has no capacity to dissolve any more sugar in it. So this is called saturated solution. A solution having no capacity or no power to dissolve any more sugar or salt or any solute in it is called saturated solution. Now the third type of solution is super saturated solution. The saturated solution the super saturated solution, we heat the saturated solution and this saturated solution becomes or regains the power or capacity to dissolve more sugar or salt or any other solute in it. This is called super saturated solution. It means saturated solution on heating becomes supersaturated solution, and it can dissolve any more salt, water, sugar or other solute in it. This solution is called supersaturated solution. So there are three types of solutions: unsaturated solutions, saturated solution and supersaturated solution. Now for home assignment or homework, question number 1, write the chemical name of common salt or table salt. Question number 2, collect a wrapper of common salt, observe it and paste in a page of your homework copy. Write the following informations. First, name of its brand or company. Second, date of packing or manufacture. Third, ingredients, name of substances, from whom it is made. Fourth, cost of this packet. Fifth, expiry date if any. And the sixth information is weight of the packet. And the question number 3, question number 4 and question number 5. And thank you for watching or learning. Okay, thank you. Good day.